Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic that's transforming the way we think about making money online. While ChatGPT has gained immense popularity for its conversational abilities, there's a whole world of AI robots out there that can help you generate income in innovative ways. We'll be exploring 5 remarkable AI tools that can boost your online earning potential, each with its unique features and capabilities. From automating your marketing efforts to enhancing your content creation, these AI robots are designed to streamline your processes and maximize your productivity. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting your online journey, you'll find valuable insights that can help you leverage technology to your advantage. Throughout this video, we'll provide a brief overview of each AI robot, discussing how they work and the specific ways they can contribute to your financial success. Our goal is to keep the information engaging and informative, ensuring you walk away with practical knowledge that you can apply right away. So, if you're curious about how to harness the power of AI beyond ChatGPT and explore new avenues for online income, stick around. You won't want to miss these innovative solutions that could change the way you approach your online business. So let's explore and get started. In the digital age, creating high-quality content for blogs and websites is essential for attracting and retaining an audience. Fortunately, AI robots like Jasper AI are revolutionizing the content creation process. Jasper AI is designed to help you generate engaging articles quickly and efficiently, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business. With its advanced algorithms, Jasper can produce well-structured content that resonates with your target audience, making it a valuable asset for any content creator. One of the key benefits of using AI content creation tools is their ability for search engine optimization, SEO. In today's competitive online landscape, having content that ranks well on search engines is crucial. These tools often come equipped with features that suggest keywords, analyze readability, and ensure that your content meets SEO best practices. This not only helps improve your visibility, but also drives organic traffic to your site. Moreover, utilizing AI for content creation can significantly save you time and increase productivity. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas and drafting articles, you can leverage these tools to generate content in a fraction of the time. This efficiency allows you to produce more articles, engage with your audience more effectively, and ultimately grow your online presence. By integrating AI content creation tools into your workflow, you can elevate your content strategy and achieve your online goals with ease. In the rapidly evolving world of online shopping, AI-powered e-commerce assistants are transforming the way businesses interact with customers and drive sales. Platforms like Shopify have integrated advanced AI tools that offer personalized shopping experiences, tailoring product recommendations based on individual preferences and browsing history. This level of personalization not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also increases the likelihood of conversions, making it a game changer for online retailers. One of the standout features of these AI tools is their ability to analyze customer behavior. By examining data such as purchase patterns, time spent on product pages, and even abandoned carts, AI can provide valuable insights that help businesses refine their marketing strategies. This data-driven approach allows e-commerce platforms to optimize their offerings, ensuring that customers are presented with products that truly resonate with their interests, ultimately boosting sales. Additionally, chatbots play a crucial role in enhancing customer service and engagement. These AI-driven assistants are available 24/7, providing instant responses to customer inquiries, guiding them through the purchasing process, and even handling post-purchase support. By offering real-time assistance, chatbots not only improve the overall shopping experience, but also free up human resources to focus on more complex tasks. As a result, businesses can maintain high levels of customer satisfaction while increasing operational efficiency. Embracing AI-powered e-commerce assistants is essential for any online retailer looking to thrive in today's competitive market. In the fast-paced world of stock trading, making informed decisions is crucial for success. AI robots are stepping in to assist investors by providing advanced tools that enhance market analysis and trading strategies. One such tool is Trade Ideas, which utilizes AI algorithms to analyze vast amounts of market data in real time. This platform helps traders identify potential opportunities by generating actionable insights based on historical trends and current market conditions. One of the significant benefits of algorithmic trading is its ability to execute trades at lightning speed, far surpassing human capabilities. By leveraging AI, investors can automate their trading strategies, allowing them to capitalize on market movements without the emotional biases that often cloud judgment. This not only increases efficiency, but also enables traders to implement complex strategies that would be challenging to execute manually. Moreover, AI can play a vital role in risk management. By analyzing market data and identifying patterns, AI tools can provide insights into potential risks associated with specific trades. Investors can use these insights to set stop-loss orders, diversify their portfolios, and make more informed decisions about when to enter or exit positions. This proactive approach to risk management helps safeguard investments and enhances overall trading performance. As AI continues to evolve, its integration into stock trading will empower investors to navigate the markets with greater confidence and precision, ultimately leading to more successful trading outcomes. In the competitive landscape of affiliate marketing, leveraging AI robots can significantly optimize strategies and enhance overall performance. Tools like ClickFunnels are at the forefront of this transformation, automating marketing funnels to streamline the process of converting leads into sales. By creating targeted landing pages and managing customer journeys, ClickFunnels allows affiliate marketers to focus on driving traffic while the platform handles the intricacies of conversion optimization. Data analysis plays a crucial role in achieving affiliate success. AI tools can sift through vast amounts of data to identify trends, customer preferences, and effective marketing channels. This analytical capability enables marketers to make informed decisions about which products to promote and how to allocate their resources effectively. By understanding what resonates with their audience, affiliates can tailor their strategies for maximum impact. Personalization is another area where AI shines in affiliate marketing. By utilizing machine learning algorithms, AI can analyze user behavior and preferences to deliver personalized content and product recommendations. This level of customization not only enhances the user experience, but also significantly improves conversion rates. When potential customers receive tailored offers that align with their interests, they are more likely to engage and make a purchase. In summary, integrating AI into affiliate marketing strategies can lead to more efficient processes, data-driven decision-making, and personalized marketing efforts that drive higher conversions. As the landscape continues to evolve, embracing these technologies will be essential for affiliates looking to stay ahead of the competition. As we wrap up our exploration of AI robots for making money online, it's clear that these innovative tools are reshaping the landscape of digital entrepreneurship. We've discussed a variety of AI solutions, from content creation tools like Jasper AI that streamline the writing process, to e-commerce assistants such as Shopify's AI features that enhance customer experiences. We also highlighted the power of AI in stock trading with platforms like Trade Ideas, and how AI can optimize affiliate marketing strategies through tools like ClickFunnels. The key takeaway here is that leveraging AI can significantly boost your productivity, improve decision-making, and ultimately increase your online income potential. Whether you're a content creator, an e-commerce entrepreneur, a stock trader, or an affiliate marketer, there's an AI tool out there that can help you achieve your goals more efficiently. We encourage you to explore these AI tools and see how they can fit into your online ventures. The future of making money online is bright, and embracing these technologies can give you a competitive edge. Also, please look at this video's description for AI tools and courses to help you on your journey. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with others who might benefit from learning about these AI solutions. Together, let's navigate the exciting world of online income opportunities. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.